Hey yo, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to not be a poser. Okay, so for common belief, it is part of the system to wear sandals with socks if you're a soccer player, but just because you wear it doesn't mean you actually play. And so if you take a picture of yourself with sandals and socks, that doesn't mean you're a soccer player. It just means you want to look like a soccer player. And that's called being a poser if you don't actually play. You have to actually play to not be a poser. Alright, yo. If you're still not grasping the concept, let me break it down even more. Fuck, I just broke my fucking ankle. Okay, let me just upload that to Facebook. Now let me show you what not a poser is, because that's not how I roll. You gotta know, like, tricks. That's called not being a poser, because you know tricks. Alright, yo. Check it out. Broke my ankle again. Alright, so that's called not being a poser. Even though I got injured, it's not being a poser because I was actually trying. Okay, so another thing, this right here, this is called being a poser. Because you know why? Because I can actually walk. It's just like trying to be cool because you're in crutches. That's called being a poser. You don't want to be a poser.